Hey, welcome to another video by Mr. Woodard. Today we're going to be talking about subtraction. This has been one of my favorite things we've gotten to talk about just because we have a lot of fun talking about how we decompose our tens and taking one 10 and decomposing it into 10 ones. So this should just be another reminder video for how to do some subtraction problems. For this one, I'm just going to do a 3-digit problem. And you can use the exact same concepts for a 2-digit as well. Let's do some 3-digit subtraction. All right, so our setup for this one is going to be very, very similar. We're going to have 235 minus 168. So our vertical algorithm, it looks a lot like our addition. However, it's just a little bit different because we have our subtraction. We also need our place value chart over to the side with our hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Now, if you remember from what we've done in class, we are going to have to put the first number in, but instead of addition where we put both numbers in the place value chart, we are only going to have this very first number. So we've got 100, 200, tens place, 1, 2, 3, and ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, we want to keep them in rows of 5 if we can. So now, instead of adding this number here into the place value chart, we are going to take each of these away. But we got to take a look first and make sure that we have enough in each box. So do we have 8 ones? No, we only have 5. So the question is, where can we get some more ones? Well, if you remember what we've done in class, we can take this 10, we can decompose it, put it in the grinder, and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. 1 10 makes 10 ones. 1 10 makes 10 ones. 10 ones make 1 10. So now we can represent that in our vertical algorithm by crossing out the 5 and showing that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ones. We can cross this one out again, this tens place, and show that our new number is 2 in the tens place. We can then take a look. Do we have enough tens to take away 6 tens? Well, no, we only have 2, so we can do the same thing, but we can do it with the next place up. With the hundreds, every box you move up, 10 of these will equal, one of these will equal 10 of these, one of these will equal 10 of these. If we were to have thousands, one of those would equal 10 hundreds. So we move that over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 5, 10, 11, 12. And then we've got a new set of hundreds, and we've only got one left there. I think that's going to be some easy subtraction. Well, now we're just going to subtract, and subtracting just means taking away. So let's go ahead and take away the 8 ones. Got 5 here, 6, 7, 8. Now let's take away the 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And take away the 100. All right. Well, the only thing we have left here is just to put it all together and see what we have. We know that we've got no hundreds left, and we know that 1 minus 1 is 0, so that works out. We've got 12 minus 6, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. 15 minus 8 will leave us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can rewrite this as 235 minus 168 equals 67. Now, the very last thing we want to do is check with addition to make sure that we have the correct answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this paper up here, get a new piece of paper. If you have enough on your sheet of paper, then what you can do is just do it on that sheet of paper. But we've got 235 minus 168 equals 67. That's what we found on the last one. Now we're going to check with addition. When we subtract, we check with addition. We can check with the opposite operation. All we do though is go in reverse order. So we're going to rewrite 67, and now instead of subtraction we're going to write plus 168 equals, and we're going to see if that equals 235. If it does, then we got the correct answer on the first sheet. So if you need some help with addition, you can review my other video. I'm going to do this one pretty quickly just because we have already done it. So I'm going to write my vertical algorithm. 168 plus 67. I'm going to write a place value chart right here. I'm going to plug in both my numbers into the place value chart. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And then I'm going to add 6 tens and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just so you can remember, we got our hundreds, tens, and ones up here. So I'm going to add them all together. I've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to write the 5 here because we're going to group these two tens together. Or not these two, but these two sets of 5, which make a 10. And because these make a 10, I can shoot that right over here. And then I can count 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to group these 10 together. And that's going to leave us with 1, 2, 3. And these turn into 1 100. And 1, 2. 235. So I've got 5, and I'm going to carry the 1. And I've got 13. I'm going to carry the 1. 235. It's the same number as that, so we know we got it correct.